So starting the test drive in this Murano Platinum here, I really like the Platinum trim level. First of all, I think the price is right for what you get here compared to even an SV and SL, but also the amenities that you get on top of just having something that's really nice. So the heated cooled seats, the heated steering wheel, the massage functionality, the moonroof here. I just think you get a really nice vehicle anyways, but then these extra amenities in the Platinum trim, specifically with all-wheel drive, just make it feel almost like a bargain. And this 2-liter Turbo 4 really does push this like you'd expect the V6 to. I know a lot of vehicles are kind of just going to the 4-cylinder because they low-key have to, but this here feels like it's just meant to save you gas. It still feels as quick, it still feels as fun to drive, so I'm really happy with that. So I have it in sport mode now. Here we go. Yeah, on the low end specifically, you're not feeling that boost. When the boost kicks in, it really pushes this thing. So that was actually pretty nice. I'm gonna put it into the eco mode now. But I want to give a huge thanks to Nissan of Cool Springs here in Franklin, Tennessee for allowing me to review this Murano again. I'll leave a link below in the description, but if you're looking to find the best price on one of these closer to home, click that second link down below. It takes just a minute to fill out your information, and I'll make sure the local dealers are fighting to get you the best price on this or whatever new vehicle you might be interested in. Ride quality is great. Sound acoustics are really good as well. And it's just, it's a lot of car, I think, again, for this to be a Murano, a Platinum. You know, I expect the interior to be nice because I just expect that from the Platinums from Nissan anyway. They do a great job with the quilted leather, having the heated, cooled seats. Just have something that feels very luxurious. But this just takes it up a notch, I feel like, compared to the outgoing Murano. Design on the outside is, you know, based on taste, but everything on the inside is phenomenal. Now, in terms of what you get for the money, I mean, this is, I think it's a good buy for 55 grand. You get so much car, you get so much in terms of amenities, and you also have something that's fuel efficient, fun to drive as well. And then, I mean, you have a manual mode here, which is really fun. A panoramic roof. There's so much, again, that you get included with this Platinum trim level. And that's before even adding the all-wheel drive capability here. So, you know, I mean, it's just, I think it's a deal, honestly. And that's all based on opinion, but you're getting an all-wheel drive vehicle that is just fantastic. But I mean, it's a good car. It's just a solid car, regardless of whether you're looking at upgrading your Altima, whether you're looking at, you know, going to that next body style from your Murano, or even if you're coming from something like a Hyundai Tucson. This is just it's a really nice vehicle. And with all that being said, this will bring me to the end of my review of this 2026 Nissan Murano Platinum with all-wheel drive.